Good morning students. Welcome to today's class. In previous class, we discussed about refraction and dispersion of light. In today's class, we are going to learn about scattering of light and its types. What is scattering of light? When a beam of sunlight enters Earth atmosphere, the light is redirected in all directions when it interacts with a particle of medium. This medium can either be atoms or molecules present in the different gases of the atmosphere. The interacting particle of the medium is called as scatterer. Based on initial and final energy of light beam, scattering can be classified as two types. One is elastic scattering and another one is inelastic scattering. If the wavelength of the scattered light is same as the incident light, then it is known as elastic scattering. If the emitted radiation have different wavelength than incident radiation, then it is known as inelastic scattering. This elastic scattering is having some certain types. Now let's discuss it one by one. The first one is Rayleigh scattering. The scattering of sunlight by atoms or molecules of the gases in the Earth's atmosphere is known as Rayleigh scattering. This Rayleigh scattering law states that the amount of scattering of light is inversely proportional to the fourth power of its wavelength. That is, amount of scattering S is inversely proportional to 1 by lambda power 4. Here the lambda denotes the wavelength of the light ray. According to this law, the shorter wavelength color, that is the blue color, are scattered much more than the longer wavelength color, that is the red color. Do you know why the sky is looking blue in color? That is due to this Rayleigh scattering. When sunlight passes through the atmosphere, the blue color, which is having shorter wavelength, is scattered to a greater extent than the red color, which is having a longer wavelength, which causes the sky to appear in blue color. But during sunset and sunrise, the light rays from the sun have to travel a larger distance. Hence, most of the blue lights are scattered away and only the red light, which gets least scattered, reaches us. Therefore, the color of the sun is red at the sunrise and sunset. The next topic which we are going to discuss is another one type, which is known as Mia scattering. Mia scattering takes place when the diameter of the scatterer is similar to or larger than the wavelength of the incident light. It is also an elastic scattering. Mia scattering is caused by pollen, dust, smoke, water droplets, etc. Mia scattering is responsible for the white appearance of the clouds. When white light falls on the water drop, all the colors are equally scattered, which together form the white light. The next type is Tyndall scattering. The scattering of light rays by the colloidal particles in the colloidal solution is called Tyndall scattering or Tyndall effect. Colloid is a microscopically small substance that is equally distributed throughout another material. For example, when a beam of sunlight enters into a dusty room through a window, then its path becomes visible to us. This is because the tiny dust particles present in the air of the room scatter the beam of light. This beam of light is invisible in pure light, but it is visible in colloidal solution. The next type is Raman scattering. The interaction of light ray with the particles of pure liquids or transparent solids, which leads to a change in wavelength of frequency, is known as Raman scattering. When a beam of parallel monochromatic light passes through a gas or liquid or solid, a part of light rays are scattered. These scattered light rays contain some additional frequencies, which is known as Raman scattering or Raman effect. The spectral lines of Raman effect are of four types. They are Rayleigh lines, Raman lines, Stokes lines and anti-Stokes lines. If the spectral line frequency is equal to incident ray frequency, then it is Rayleigh. If spectral line frequency is other than incident ray, then it is Raman. If spectral line frequency is lesser than incident ray, then it is Stokes line. If spectral line frequency is greater than incident frequency, then it is known as anti-Stokes lines. This is the image of the four lines of the Raman spectrum. Okay students, let's recall the topic once again. We studied about scattering, when the beam of light is redirected in all directions when it interacts with the particle of medium. Scattering has two types. One is elastic scattering, another one is inelastic scattering. In elastic scattering, we studied about Rayleigh, Mia, Tyndall and Raman scattering. Rayleigh scattering is responsible for blue color in sky. Mia scattering is responsible for white color in sky. In Tyndall scattering, we found the beam of rays in colloidal solution, and in Raman scattering, we studied about the variation in frequencies. Okay students, we will meet in another class with another new topic. Thank you students.